Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Capitec Bank. Now it's a very easy process. So all you have to do is open your browser and then just open PayPal on your browser. Now once you're in your PayPal, go to the Pay and Get Paid section. Click on Bank and Cards. Now right over here you will have the section of adding a bank account, as you can see right over here. So what you have to do is click on Link a Bank Account. Then just enter all the details regarding your Capitec bank account, like your account number, your code, your city, branch, bank name, everything. And then just simply click on link your bank. So there will be a small transaction that will be done in your bank account where a small amount will be deducted in order just to check if your bank account is active or not. So once the transaction is done, your bank account will get active in PayPal. Once that happens, all you have to do is go to your main PayPal balance section. Over there, once you will have funds in your PayPal, just simply click on the transfer option that you will find right below it, as you can see right over here. And over here, once you will click on transfer, you will have the option of choosing your bank account. If you have multiple bank account, if you have only single bank account, you will directly find the option of transfer and then just simply click on transfer and the transfer will be completed. And within few minutes or days, you should receive your money. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.